In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Raid Shadow Legends clan activity stars not updating. This is Aiden from JustBoz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this, so we greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you're going to want to do after you complete the requirements is wait about 15 minutes. Sometimes clan activity progress does not update instantly and is only refreshed approximately every 15 minutes. From here, you can open up your clan, you can go to the members tab, and then what you're going to want to do is just tap this little information icon up towards the very top. And it'll show you exactly what you need to go ahead and do in order to get those requirements. Playing for 30 or 90 minutes alone is not enough. You also have to complete the required campaign or dungeon battles, classic arena fights, and demon lord battles. Just keep in mind that your daily activity tasks reset at 10 a.m. UTC, so the progress completed across those reset periods will not combine. If the star is still missing, you need to fully close and reopen up Raid Shadow Legends, check your app store or player and play for an update, and complete one additional qualifying battle to refresh your progress. If it's still not updating, open up your profile, select info, just like so. And as soon as you hit info, hit support, and then hit new ticket, contact support, and just let them know that none of your clan activity is updating. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.